So today we are going to start case study question number 1. Okay, and this case study question number 1 is based on linear equation in two variable. So case study questions में context दिया रहेगा which will be based on the real life situation, and with respect to that and on the basis of that context and the given situation some questions will be there. और ये purely objective है, 5 questions will be there, you have to attempt any 4 questions. So the context is like that. In the below given layout, the design and measurements has been made such that the area of 2 bedrooms and kitchen together is 95 meter square. So ये 2 bedroom का area और kitchen का area मिला के इतना है, right? And based on this figure and this data, now some questions have been framed. So let us start the first question. The area of 2 bedrooms and kitchen are respectively equal to. See, what is the area of this bedroom number 1? Length is x.
5x.
Yes?
5x.
Yes, very good.
5x.
5x. And this is also 5x. So, what is the area of 2 bedrooms?
10x.
10x. So, यहाँ पे एक ही ऑप्शन पे 10x है यहाँ पर. Okay, so we'll move towards kitchen side also. This is 5 and the length is y. So, what is the area of this kitchen?
5y.
5y. So, which option is the correct one?
B.
B, right. So area of 1 bedroom is 5x meter square, area of 2 bedroom will be 10x meter square, and area of kitchen is 5y meter square. So the correct option is B. Now the next question, find the length of the outer boundary of the layout. That means we have to find the layout, the perimeter of this one. So यहाँ पे confusion हो सकता है कि यहाँ पे x और y is unknown. These values are unknown, but the length is given. So the length of this is also 15, and this length is also it is known to us. What is the length of this one? Breadth
12 meter.
12. तो यहाँ पर 12 होगा. So 15 plus 15 plus 12 plus 12. So we'll get 54. So the correct answer is D. Right. Now the pair of linear equation in two variables formed from the statements are. अभी जो statement जो दिया हुआ है, what is the statement given that the area of bedroom and kitchen together is 95 meters square, right? And with the help of that statement we have to form the linear equations. So let us start with the first. The area of 2 bedroom is 10x and area of kitchen is 5y, and the total area is given in the question is 95. So 10x plus 5y is equals to 95. If you divide all by 5, you will get 2x plus y is equals to 19. So this is the first equation, right? And the next one, ध्यान से देखो, x plus 2 plus y is equals to 15. X plus 2 plus y is equals to 15. That means x plus y is equals to 13. Right? So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option?
C.
Option
C.
Option D, क्योंकि ये दोनों इक्वेशन यहाँ पे नहीं है, देखो. The option D is the correct answer. Okay. So now we'll move towards the next question. तो हम लोग को दोनों इक्वेशन मिल गया. कौन कौन सा? X plus y is equals to 13 and 2x plus y is equals to 19. Now the next question, which is the solution satisfying both the equations formed in third? कौन कौन सा इक्वेशन मिला था हम लोग को? 2x plus y is equals to 19, x plus y is equals to 13. तो देखो इन दोनों का सम 13 है, इन दोनों का भी सम 13 है, इन दोनों का भी सम 13 है और इन दोनों का भी सम 13 है. So almost all 4 satisfy that equation, but we have to check for another equation. The another equation is 2x plus y is equals to 19. So ये वाला जो satisfy करेगा, that is the final answer. So we'll check with the first one. 2 into 7 14 plus 6 20, not satisfying. 2 into 8 16 plus 5 21, not satisfied. 2 into 5 10 plus 8 18, not satisfied. 2 into 6 12 plus 9 19. So option C जो है वो satisfy कर रहा है. Option C 6 7. So the correct answer is x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 7. Right? Now we got the value of x as 6 and the value of y is equals to 7. Now based on this, what is the area of each bedroom? See, what is the area of bedroom? 5x.
30 meters.
30 meters square.
5 into 6. So 5 into 6 is 30 square meter. So correct option is A. Any doubt in this case study question?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
So
No,
we'll do the next case study question in the next one. Okay. So thank you very much.